Gattu and Chinky got ready for school and were having breakfast. Chinky was relaxed, but Gattu had kept a notebook on the table and was writing something hurriedly.
Hey, what are you doing, Gattu? It's my homework, Mummy. It is not complete. Teacher will scold me. But at least have your breakfast. No, Mummy. The school bus will come. I told Gattu yesterday itself to finish his homework. But he did not listen to me, Mummy. You keep quiet, Chinky. Gattu, have breakfast first. After that, do this work in the school bus. Chinky, you also help Gattu so that his work will be done quickly. Oh, but why me, Mummy? Because brother and sisters help each other. Right, Chinky? But Mummy, nowadays Gattu is not taking anything seriously. He hasn't even started making the project yet. Is it true, Gattu? Actually, yes, Mummy. You come home in the evening, then I will talk to you. For now, just have breakfast and go to school.
Gattu Chinky's bus arrives after some time and they both go to school. After reaching school, Chinky sees that Goody was not sitting on her seat.
Hey, why is Goody sitting so far away? She is showing her anger to me. Huh, why do I care? I will also not talk to her.
After saying this, Chinky also goes and sits on a separate seat. Just then, the teacher comes to the class.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, kids. Today we will continue with the chapter we were studying in the last class. And yes, let me remind you all that your project has to be submitted tomorrow. So everyone be ready. Okay, kids?
Gattu gets very nervous after listening to the teacher. After the class is over, he says to Chinky,
Oh no, Chinky. The project will be submitted tomorrow. What will I do now? What? You haven't completed your project till now, Gattu. We all have completed it.
Yes, yesterday was Sunday, so I made it yesterday itself.
I will start right now. It will be completed by tomorrow, right?
Gattu had just started writing when another teacher enters the class.
The second class has started, Gattu. You cannot work on any other subject right now. You will get scolded. Keep it aside. Do it later.
Gattu sits down in tension and the class begins. In the last period, Bunty comes to Chinky and says,
Chinky, is the fight between you and Goody over now? How do you know, Bunty? Everyone knows, Chinky. Everyone can see that you both are not talking. No, it is not over yet. But why? Tomorrow you both will have to submit our project together. Ma'am has said so, Chinky. What? No, I will not submit the project with Goody. I will do it alone. This won't work, Chinky. You go and talk to Goody. You will have to submit the project together or else you will get a scolding from the teacher. Oh, okay, fine, Bunty.
Chinky goes to Goody and says,
Listen, we have to submit the project together tomorrow. Yes, I know. Don't tell me.
Chinky gets even more angry after hearing Goody's reply. And she leaves from there. Going to her seat, she says to herself,
How arrogant Goody is. Now I will never be friends with her again.
After some time, school ends. And all the children go to their respective home.
Gattu, did you do your homework? No, Mummy.
Then leave all this and immediately start doing your homework.
This morning itself you were so worried because your homework was not completed. And even now you're not taking it seriously? Sorry, Mummy. I will go now. Gattu, also do your project work with it. Submission is tomorrow, right? Oh yes, I always forget everything.
Gattu gets busy in his homework and making project. After some time, it is time to play.
Come on, Gattu, let's go and play. You go, Chinky. I can't come. I have lot of work to do. Well, okay. All the best, Gattu.
Gattu does his homework and Chinky goes to play. She sees that Goody did not come today.
Hari, Goody did not come today? Yes, I don't know why. I asked her, but she refused to come with me, Chinky. I don't know what happened to her, Hari. And how long will she remain angry like this? Then you go and talk to her, Chinky, and say sorry. But I did not do anything. Why should I say sorry? I even don't know this, Hari, that why she's angry. Anyway, come on, let's go play. Yes, let's go.
Chinky starts playing with other friends. When she goes back home, she sees that Gattu had left work and started watching TV.
Gattu, why don't you finish any work in one go? Again you left the project and homework in between. This is wrong, Gattu. I will do it in just 10 minutes, Tinky.
Chinky was tired of telling Gattu, so she doesn't say anything now. After some time, it is dinner time and Papa also arrives. Everyone has dinner while talking and then go to sleep. You've got a parcel from Puntoon Kids.
Oh, it's here. Kids, why don't you go and open it? It is for you.
Wow, Mummy, there are so many products in it. What is fishing fun, Mummy?
I will give you one letter and you have to pick that letter with the help of the fishing rod.
Wow! So we will learn letters while fishing.
And see this, it is called fishing fingers. It will help you improve your eye-hand coordination. Hold this lace and try to put beads in it one by one.
Mummy, it is a very cool gift. It has so many products. We are having a lot of fun with it. What box is this?
It is Puntoon Kids Learning Box, which we are presenting for the kids of nursery, junior KG and senior KG. If you also want to order this box, then click on the link provided in the description, or you can send a WhatsApp message or call on the number given below.
Now you can also buy our favorite toys from www.puntoonkids.com. Link is in the description.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.